The vendor? Chad naman, please. Pwede bang kalimutan mo na siya? The last I heard, may iba na siyang lalaking kinakasama. At ito pa, buntis na siya. Pero don't worry, I'm here now.
Thank you for being here for me, but I appreciate it. But I don't want to move too fast. Kasi ayoko isipin mo na ibon kita.
It's over. Cute ka. Aso, tanga. I will never be your rival. And I'm the one day.
That's what I love about you. Pagdating sa akin, sobrang considerate mo. Sandali lang.